I start snoring, and then my wife tells me, look, you're snoring a lot and you're waking up in the middle of the night. I wake up in the morning, I'm very drowsy and sleepy and tired. What should be my first step?
So the first step is probably to visit the ENT,
ENT.
or you could visit a pulmonologist.
Yes.
I mean, you have to visit a person who has a specialty
And sleep.
in sleep. That's the first thing. But the other thing is actually to try and diagnose, because many patients come to me because they're snoring and they want a fast fix. I mean, I cannot act as a fast fix. I mean, I cannot sell them this, I have this device like a laser or something like that I'm going to take away your snoring. No. The first thing you have to do is definitely we need to check to see if you have sleep apnea.